My name is Juan Casimiro, another Biz Bit moment. I want to talk to you about the College Prep Workshop and why it's important. You know that many students who apply to college and when they go to college is the very first time that they even visit a campus. We encourage parents to figure out how to make an investment to send their kids to visit at least 5 university campuses before they even attend college. But what we typically teach in a College Prep Workshop is the day-to-day activities that they have to go through in creating a time management system. So we teach them how to create a week-long example of what they do from the time they wake up to the time they go to bed. Most of the research shows that those students who tend to get lost in college has to do with not managing their time well. As a matter of fact, we make sure that they learn how to maximize each hour in a given day. So we teach them the importance of time management. In addition to that, setting goals and objectives before they even go to college, applying to at least 10 universities, and then we take them through a series of what they need to do every single month from September to May until their senior year. Beginning with their junior, their sophomore, and freshman year, we teach them how they wind up on their senior year responsibilities and the action steps they must take to go into a good school. In addition to that, we've designed something that combines the 7 mindsets for college success. In this case, what we do is we teach them that you have to get your thoughts right. You have to transform your thinking in order to get into the best schools. We know that you need the GPAs and the SATs and other scores to get into U.S. universities, and every country has its own criteria. But at the College Prep Workshop, which I feel is one of the most important workshops that BizNOVATOR delivers for children, is the College Prep Workshop. It's a 1-day or a 2-day experience where the students will learn everything from A to Z. And they also get these savvy strategies and mindsets for college success. Again, this is a BizBit moment. Juan Casimiro.